I'd like to go explore down the fall a little bit, but I'm by myself. Adventure. If you're new here, my name is Chris. I have been a lifelong leg and fingers amputee and adventurer, and today we are at Crazy Woman Canyon Road, I think, just west of Buffalo, Wyoming, and we are perched at this cool little waterfall, and we're gonna do a Jeep overnighter, the first one in this Jeep. Test out the new setup and see how it goes. I hope you'll join me. Make this mess a livable space, and through the magic of television I can do it just like that. I don't know how to do this. Well, you get the idea. You'll see it in a second. And as promised, we're done. So kind of glamping with this particular setup. This is my first time in the Jeep camping overnight. So my stepdad, my wife, and I made this little foldable platform so that I could lay the seats down and then lay mattresses underneath it. These are my backpacking mattresses. My Z-Pack sleeping bag. Since I'm glamping, I brought my pillow from home. My buddy Kyle over at the Wandering Shores, follow them on YouTube. He let me borrow his Kufly so I could plug in my tablet and watch some movies that I downloaded tonight after dark. And then of course I got snacks. Up front in the passenger seat, I've got drinks and clothes. I have a second adventure planned for tomorrow, and that'll be in a future video. But so I brought kind of a lot of stuff that I need for tonight, but I won't use tomorrow night. So I had promised to make dinner afterwards, but it's not that late yet. And I kind of want to go down here and check out the water. There's a little pool, right there, that I'd like to dip my feet in and maybe even sit in if it's not too cold. I'll take you guys with me. Ooh, that's cold. That is really cold. It's so pretty. I could hang out here all evening. I'd like to go explore down the fall a little bit, but I'm by myself, so I don't want to do anything too risky and too dumb. But I'm also getting hungry. It's just a mountain house meal, but I need to shove it in my face as soon as possible. Today's meal chicken fajita by Mountain House. I've had them before. They're pretty good. A little spicy for me, but I'm kind of a wuss, so you'll find it just right. So I've decided to come to bed, or at least lay down. It's, I don't know, about 7 and the mosquitoes are out, so I could put sleeves on, but I'm not gonna. Got a tablet, I've got some movies to watch. I'm gonna just chill here in the Jeep and watch movies and eat some Bold Chex Mix, not sponsored, and some Powerade Zero, also not sponsored, and listen to the sounds of the water cascading. I've got one thing I didn't show you. I've got window covers, screens over the 2 back door windows for some ventilation, because it's pretty warm. It's in the 80s, so should be nice. And yeah, just gonna relax here and watch some stuff and get some sleep, and I'll see you guys in the AM.
Kidney though, it was the left kidney, and Catherine did have her left kidney taken away.
Good morning. So we survived the night here at Crazy Woman Canyon Road at the the waterfall, I guess you'd say. Comfort level with the mattress pad that I have, it's my backpacking mattress. I give it a 5 out of 10. At some point in the night, my mattress lost a little bit of air, so I was kind of sleeping right on the plywood. But scenery rated 10 out of 10 for sure. So I'm gonna get this mess packed up and head for home and conclude this adventure. But I did want to mention that my wife and I travel full-time in our RV, so mostly through the western and northern United States. So we'll be doing different adventures throughout the year. Bike packing, backpacking, hiking. If you're interested in that, please hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell notification thing on the side that will tell you when my videos go live. I don't necessarily have a set schedule, but I'm aiming for once a week or once every 2 weeks. We'll see how it goes. But I look forward to hearing how you feel about this particular adventure, and yeah, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.